Good day everyone, I am James Rodney Ortiz and today we're gonna present the Module 1 which entitled Leadership and Management. What is leadership? It is a social relationship between two or more persons who depends on each other to attain certain goals of the company or an organization. It is about inspiring others to understand and believe in the company's vision and to collaborate with you to achieve your objectives. Management. Management, it is the process of planning, organizing, directing, and controlling the activities of employees in combination with other resources to accomplish organization objectives. It is also more concerned with administering the work and ensuring that the day-to-day operations run smoothly. So let's talk about leaders versus managers. According to Junea, a leader is one who influences the behavior and work of others in group efforts towards achievement of specified goals in a given situation, while a manager is a person responsible for supervising and motivating employees and for directing the progress of an organization.
Leader versus manager. There are two types, which is leader and the manager. Here are the differences. The leader is you can ask question, has a followers, it can give motivational, it shows you how. Action good ideas, create change, make heroes, and develop powers. And here the manager that can do. Give direction, has subordinates, hold authority, tells you what, has good ideas, react to change, tries to be a hero, exercise power. What is leadership role? A leadership role is a position that requires you to manage people, situation, and items effectively and ethically. The leadership roles, there are three types, which is the mentor, the coach, and the trainer. First, the mentor. The mentor is a person who has gained significant experience at a company or in their industry, serves as an advisor to someone who is less experienced. They lend or share their expertise, knowledge, and counsel to provide a wise viewpoint. Second, coach. So what is coach? Coach is someone who offers their skill and knowledge to help others improve their own abilities and skills. Based on performance, observation, and quantifiable data, they provide consistent and constructive feedback. And the last, the trainer. Trainer is anyone who shares their knowledge in order to help others improve their own abilities and performance. To create strategies and methods for others to follow, the role necessitates strong communication and listening skills.
The leadership roles influencer. It guides the actions and options of others by setting a good example. They can usually use their authority on a specific subject to pique people's interest and motivate them to take action. Manager. They are frequently in charge of small groups of people and are tasked with organizing, motivating, and guiding others to achieve their objectives. Strategist. They develop plans and step-by-step procedures by keeping the goal in mind and creating logical steps to guide a team towards achieving that goal. They implement advanced critical thinking for their process and are very observant individuals. Communicator. A good communicator demonstrates leadership abilities by using verbal, nonverbal, written, and visual communication to convey a clear message. Listening skills are essential for effective communication, as is the ability to ask probing questions to ensure that all participants understand completely. Visionary. These are individuals, groups, or organizations who recognize the potential in others others and use their influence, knowledge, and strong communication skills to assist the group in understanding, achieving a goal, and reaching their full potential. Role model. These are individuals, groups, or organizations who recognize the potential in others and use their influence, knowledge, and strong communication skills to assist the group in understanding, achieving a goal, and reaching their full potential. Organizer. An organizer is an example of a leadership role that is required at all levels. The ability to think logically and strategically plan out individuals, events, and programs necessitates problem solving and critical thinking abilities. Motivators. Motivators use verbal praise and their forms of positive reinforcement to encourage team members to work together toward a common goal. Motivators use their abilities to instill in others a desire to work and a desire for success.
Great leadership behaviors. Great leaders may not be born that way, but the behaviors that mark the best and lead to success can be developed and refined over time. 7 of the most important behaviors. Being grounded in ethics and integrity. Leaders are deeply committed to do what is right for the right reasons, even when it is difficult to stay the course or adhering to high principles and professional standards, and doing so with consistency. Bringing others along. They engage and uplift the team members and help others grow and achieve each other goals. They also serve as both coaches and teachers in understanding the members' distinct needs, abilities, and goals. Building trust. Leaders involve their members in decisions and are transparent and consistent, inspiring those around you. A good leader has a vision to motivate people to follow and expressing his passion and energy and backing with strong beliefs and values. Making decisions involves others in making decisions and have the courage to take accountability for the consequences of the decisions made. An effective decision must come with balancing emotion with reason while considering the needs and interests of the group. Reward achievement. The best leader recognizes and appreciates his members' or employees' efforts or contributions to the group or organization. Recognizing one's effort may be expressed through a tangible reward or a public acknowledgement. Employees bring their best selves to work when you empower. Encouraging innovation. Learn to embrace change and encourage innovation with strategies that focus on improving the members' or employees' experience and collaborations.